If in your head at any point you're like, oh, I don't like that move, you're in too big, get out. That's not for you. You're trading with too big a size. You can already tell. If you get emotional, too big a size. If you sweat, you're in too large. Am I right?
Two $15 contracts worked like a charm for me with that yesterday, coach.
Yep. See, now here's what's cool. So having two $15 contracts, right? Which is 30 bucks. So $30 instead of $300, you could hold it forever. So you're 300. Listen, you'll go in with 300, it go against you and go red, you'd get out, you'd lose 50 bucks. So instead of losing 50
Yep.
bucks because you should have stayed in the trade anyways, you probably took this $30 to 100 plus, right?
Yep.
Done.
103.
And look at the risk. Look at the risk difference. And then once you get good and you're like, well, I can hold 30, well, then you'll be able to do it with 50. Then you can do it with 100. Now you're at 500. Next thing you know, you're in here doing it $5,000 and you're still able to hold exactly like I'm talking about.